Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming essentials: cables, monitor power, and correct input. Once those are checked, right-click the desktop and open Display Settings. This is where Windows lists resolutions. You should note the current and recommended values so you can compare results. If Windows shows a lower than expected option, make sure to select the monitor and not a duplicate display. This first step prevents wasted effort and lets you move quickly to change resolution with confidence. Now you update graphics drivers because outdated drivers often remove high resolutions. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, and choose Update Driver. Try automatic first, then manual with a downloaded driver if needed. Once drivers are current, make scaling adjustments in display settings so icons and text look right. Pick 100% or 125% as appropriate. Then go to Advanced Display Settings to explicitly set the resolution and refresh rate. These steps fix mismatches between what Windows lists and what your monitor supports. To finish, create a custom resolution in your GPU control panel if Windows still lacks the correct option. This lets you match the monitor's native size. Once you apply a new resolution, test it and make sure to click Keep Changes within the timeout or Windows will revert. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to rule out software conflicts, roll back drivers to the previous version, or inspect the monitor's OSD for scaling and input settings. These final checks resolve most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.